your child probably brought home a worksheet on algebraic expressions that they need to finish tonight. We are looking at one-step algebraic expressions and two-step algebraic expressions. So I'm going to show you how to do the one-step, and then I'll show you how to do the first two-step. So when we start an algebraic equation, what we want to do first is we drop the anchor. When we drop the anchor, that just consciously tells us we have one side over here and one side over there, two separate sides. And what we do when we find the answer to our algebraic expression is we are wanting to isolate or get your variable or your letter x all by itself. And in order to do that, we need to get rid of the constant or the number first. In a one-step equation, we go from left to right. X is by itself, now we have a number. We need to get rid of it. So we do the opposite. This is subtraction, and the opposite is addition. So we're going to add 7, which will cancel 7 out over here. What I do to this side, I have to do the same to this side. So I add 7 over here. Now I have x equals 19. So I have my answer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back in and I'm going to put 19 in for x. Okay? So if I put 19 here, 19 minus 7 equals 12. Yes, that is true. So this is my answer. It's correct. Now I'm going to go over to the two-step equation over here. When we do a two-step equation, we go the inverse or the opposite. So instead of going left to right, we go right to left. First thing I do is drop the anchor. Again, telling myself I have two sides that I'm dealing with. So if I go right to left, I'm going to deal with this constant, or the 4 right now. I want to get rid of it. So it's the opposite of minus 4, add 4. Cancels it out. What I do to this side, I have to do to this side. So I add 4, and I get 13. So now I have x over 3 equals 13. So again, what do? I drop the anchor, telling myself I have two sides I'm dealing with. This right here means divided by, so x divided by 3. What's the opposite of divided by? Multiply. So I'm going to multiply this by 3. And when I am multiplying fractions, it's like a fraction here, cancels my 3 out. So now I have x by itself. What I do to this side, I have to do this side. So 13 times 3. 13 times 3 is 39. So now I have x equals 39. I want to check my answer, don't I? So I'm going to put 39 up here. 39 divided by 3 is 13. 13 minus 4 equals 9, so that is correct. Okay? There is one question on this sheet. It's on the back page, and it may look confusing. It is 3x, and then it looks like there's a little multiplication and a negative 7 equals 20. That should be 3x minus 7 equals 20. So make sure when you get to the back page, you use this expression, not this one. Okay? If you have any other questions, you can go ahead and message me on Dojo.